This morning, me and Sabrina drove up to LA because we were gonna stop by the Street Hunter office and go over some stuff for next year. And I realized I've never shown you guys this place, so I thought, what the heck, let's make a road trip on the last day of Vlogmas. This is actually Street Hunter's new office that we split with Street Fighter. You guys have never been here, but there's the BRZ that you guys once saw, and then I said it was gonna live up here in LA. But before we get to all of this is Dylan. For those of you who've never met Dylan on the vlog, Dylan is the other half of Street Hunter. Me and Dylan work with each other a lot behind the scenes, but this is a super cool build that I wanna show you guys because just like our 65 Mustang, this shares an RB26. How long ago did you make this, Dylan? Can you give us a little car check on this thing?
Man, car check. So I actually originally bought this car from a friend, Carl, who was working airlift at the time. And this car actually was a SEMA car that showed up as basically, still had a stock motor and everything, had a crazy wrap on it, Pandem kit, all that stuff. And then I ended up buying the car from after SEMA. My idea was that I wanted to completely redo the car and basically go with a full midnight purple paint job, do the RB26 swap into it. It's something that really no one I've ever seen personally has done, in an E36 at least. Dan at Rad Industries helped us basically fabricate everything that we needed.
Oh, cool. So yeah, Dan did the same fabrication on our 65 Mustang.
Team RB.
Yeah, seriously.
Originally served as more of a show car at the beginning, and then we wanted to start to drift the car and stuff, so we added things like the WiseFab kit, and then ended up rebuilding.
Oh, it's on WiseFab too?
It is on WiseFab. That's why we poke so much.
Oh, hell yeah.
But yeah, we got some nice Rotiform 6s on here, fully built RB. Stripped out the interior and stuff, obviously seats, wheels.
Got an interior. Is that a race pack?
Race pack on here.
I haven't seen that in a long time. Yeah, and then it has a rear mount radiator set up in the back. It's just done beautifully. This thing, I guess, is a drift car, but it's very much it's a drift show car. It's super, super rad. And it's just dump tubed out the top, so it sounds really good. Honestly, it sounds like R65 because we don't have any exhaust on the back of the 65 right now. Yep, there's the RB26 per. Hell yeah. Damn. Sounds good. Damn. That thing is super rad. I thought you guys would appreciate seeing this. It also is on a Street Fighter LA kit, and they molded it, so it looks really, really, really good. You don't see a lot of people mold kits these days, so it's always cool seeing that. So this BRZ, if you guys don't remember, this one is different than our blue one. This is the premium version, so it's different than the limited in the sense that it doesn't have the same interior. It has cloth seats. I think that's pretty much it on the interior. I think that's really the only difference. And then I think this one came with like this roof spoiler, and it's actually the same wheel. So I don't know. Do you know what the difference is? I don't know what the differences are.
Honestly, I know it was a little bit cheaper. Yeah, the only thing that I've ever seen.
I think it's just the interior.
Yeah, the interior, and then I don't know. I've just never personally seen one, even with this little roof spoiler thing.
No, I haven't either.
That's the only things that I've really noticed.
We went over a bunch of really, really exciting stuff today. Some big stuff coming for this BRZ. Some really big changes that are gonna be coming up that I'm really stoked about. But what's cool to see here, this is just all the inventory of kits that we have in stock. Tons of Supra stuff, tons of C8 stuff. I think there's RX-7 stuff in here somewhere, but it's kind of cool to see the whole operation and just see where an idea was 2 years ago to kind of just see what it looks like right now, because it's pretty incredible. And a lot of thank you and support from all of you guys, whether following the Street Hunter Instagram or you even have Street Hunter parts on your car, or maybe you got a banner or a t-shirt or anything like that. One thing I will say that you guys ask for all the time is Street Hunter's only focused on newer cars other than the RX-7 hood that we did. I mean, there's still RX-7 fenders that we're still working on. There's a bunch of stuff, but a lot of you guys have asked for tackle cars that are older, like maybe doing an older generation WRX or a 350 or a 370. I hope one day we can get into that. We kind of talked a little bit about that today in our meeting that we had, but we are not forgetting people with older stuff. We see you, we hear you, I hear you guys all the time, and it's something we will get into. I promise you. Stuff for older cars is coming. The 350Z community has asked for Street Hunter stuff for since we started. I hear you guys, it's coming, I promise. But to wrap up the the overall year consensus, super, super positive. Cannot wait to show you guys what we have coming for 2022. Now we're starting to drive back home, and for some reason, California has rain for the next 10 days. So you better get used to this look, boys. Actually, not get used to this look. Actually, I should probably break this to you now. Now is a good time as ever. This is gonna be the last video that you guys are gonna see from me until next year. So that means about a week of no uploads. Probably the longest time I've ever gone without uploading. But I think with all of Vlogmas, and then I also did a lot of videos in the end of November, I think you guys will be okay. I think you'll be able to survive without the vlogs. Just kidding, none of you guys care if you guys watch the vlogs or not, but
I don't think that I'll be able to survive without any uploads for a week. Not I.
I'm gonna gas Sabrina up a little bit.
Really?
Giving her props for driving this big truck in the rain. She doesn't like driving this big truck, and also in the rain, it's kind of like, it's intimidating.
Tell them why I'm driving it.
Because I need to edit the daily vlog.
You need to edit the video that they're watching right now, right?
No, this is a different video.
Oh, okay.
I'm editing yesterday's video for you guys right now. But it's okay because we still have 2 hours to get home because LA sucks.
2 hours and 5 minutes, actually.
Traffic the whole way home.
Literally, and the rain.
So I just got home and I arrived with this box at my front door, and it's from Baja Designs, and I was not expecting anything from them. So I take it, it's just a little bit of a Christmas gift from Baja. For those of you who don't know, Baja Designs makes a bunch of off-road lights. Pretty much every single light accessory, actually every light accessory on the Razor is from Baja Designs, and they make some killer stuff. I'm a huge fan of them. A little FTB action. They're gonna be the last FTB for a while because we're stopping uploading for a little bit. And I was not expecting anything from them. So I was like, hey, let's do a little bit of an unboxing for the boys. It's one of my favorite things ever to do is unbox things, and it's cool because it's a gift, so I'm treating it like a little Christmas gift. There's so much stuff in here. What the heck? We have a box full of stuff, so I'm just gonna open everything from the top. I don't know if there's like a letter. Let's open it up. Just some additional accessory lights, I guess. Oh, you know what I think this could be? I think this is actually the headlight kit for the Razor. Headlight adapter. Oh. I think I originally ordered this when I got my first pack from them, but it was out of stock at the time. Okay, yeah, so these are all gonna be the same thing. So these are all just little lights, because there's 3 little square lights in each headlight that they offer, and it's obviously way brighter than normal. That's really cool. This is probably gonna be the same thing. Let's find out. That's awesome. So you chain all 3 of them together. Got some t-shirts, more t-shirts, some koozies. So you take out the headlight that comes in the car, and then you replace it with this thing. So you can actually see, I think I'm holding this correctly. This would be the left headlight, and then you put all 3 lights inside, and there's mounting tabs for all of it. So it literally is just our replacement headlight kit. And they sent a sticker pack, 2 sticker packs. I'll treat that as a gift because I forgot it was coming and it just showed up randomly. Thank you, Baja Designs, I appreciate it. So you're telling me they're over? Can't expose who I'm texting. Some secret stuff right
I wasn't showing nothing. It's over?
Look, yeah, this is the last one. Ooh, this is exciting stuff.
We all have fuzzy socks on?
Yeah. This is the last daily vlog. And I told them I'm not gonna upload again until January.
January?
Mm-hmm.
Not even
time off. Taking time off.
Are we gonna film a montage for your birthday then?
No. If we do something for my birthday, we'll probably record it and I can like include it in a video. Like, here's my birthday, you guys missed it, and show up. That's probably it. Oh, actually, you cannot show me that screen.
I know, that's why I said you might have to edit that. It'd be like that though, and I just got 2 cavity fills, so my face is kind of numb. I literally can't feel that. Oh!
That was kind of.
You hit my cheek!
I kind of missed.
You're supposed to hit it right here. No. Okay, that side is not. Ow.
I said you couldn't feel it.
Yeah, this side.
I told him yesterday that I'm buying a car right now that. Ooh, I didn't say buying a car. I said there's something that I can't show him that's in Japan. That's all I said.
Dude, that's so easy. That's such a big glue.
I know. It is. It's everything.
Yeah, but what they don't
Tommy's
know.
helping me find something.
What they don't know is that it's multiple.
Just making a collection overseas. Yeah. Ooh. Actually, I forgot one more car.
I'm not... Well, Merry Christmas to you.
No, because I ain't gonna see it till forever. And it's something we can go over now. Japan shut their borders back down. Doesn't matter if you're vaccinated or not. It's still shut down. So like, we won't be able to see it till like over a year. I kind of feel like I'm just throwing money away, but.
What was that? What were we doing?
You know.
All right, we're gonna go get some dinner.
Danny left the U.S. and then came back to the U.S. And then he moved to Texas.
Danny, where did you go?
And now he's back from Texas.
I see you guys like every week.
So Danny will be starting his YouTube channel once again.
No.
It's coming back.
No.
Sometime in 2079, I'll for sure be back.
Can you imagine?
Oh, dude,
I made this promise.
I'm gonna clip that, and in 2079,
Yeah, literally.
if I'm still alive, I'm gonna send it to you.
I will hopefully.
It'll be something else.
I like TJ Hunt. The end of Vlogmas. We're gonna go ahead and send it out with a bang here.
3, 2, 1.
He's got about half his margarita left.
This is my second one.
Oh,
Come on, bud, you can do
It's watered down.
You guys remember Drunk Teach back in the day, right?
Come on, dude, it's all ice.
Go. You still got some left. You still
Oh, dude, no! Get back in there. Get back in there right now.
I've chucked this whole thing so
You
far.
go in for seconds.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
That is brutal.
1 to 4. I won't throw this on TV right now.
like ass.
End of day 24.
2,
No.
1.
4. Damn it, Kevin.
4.
Oh! Sabrina!
This is some bullshit.
Sabrina! It's stuck.
Hey, you're being a little
So cold.
Ice down.
Danny! No, don't do it back. Don't, no. Get off of me.
Dude, remember that? Where were we? Were we at bowling craft? Remember when Sabrina hucked that ice into the other booth?
Dude, it's down my crack.
No!
Danny, hurry up. Oh, it's in my butt.
Oh, Sabrina!
Oh, dude.
You missed. Stop.
That's what we're trying to do. That's what I.
Well. We've reached the end. Oh, I'm zooming in on accident. Reached the end of the vlog. 24 days straight in a row. Haven't missed an upload. Man. Oh, the dogs are back. Means if the dogs are back, that means Sabrina's right around the corner. And
Here
there
I
she
am.
is. Sabrina, do you have anything you want to say to everyone on the last day of Vlogmas? The last.
Merry Christmas and
Yeah, you know what? Everyone's watching this. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'm
Happy
uploading
New
this
Year.
on Christmas Eve, and if you are one of those people who were literally watched
Let's all
every
comment
single
below.
episode.
Let's all comment below a New Year's resolution, and then we can come back to this video in a year and see if we achieved it. Go away.
Wow. Ending it on a rainy night.
Go away.
Cold weather, snowing on some parts of the world. I'm trying to think of something inspirational to say, but I really don't got anything. All I just want to say is, I've said it plenty of times, thank you to everyone who has watched every single video. Thank you to everyone who placed an order on thehuntcompany.com and placed an order on the giveaways. The giveaways end today. I don't have the text of who it was, but we've had 24 amazing winners. We've given away thousands of dollars. We've given away clutches, turbos, coilovers, exhausts, all thanks to you guys. So big thank you to everyone who has supported anything from the Hunt & Company drop. And if you haven't supported yet, just wait, because coming late January, we have some fire stuff coming. And I'm gonna take a break. I'm about to take a little bit of a vacation, spend some time with family, go snowboarding. Probably still gonna be making some videos, but I'm not gonna upload anything up until January towards that. If you guys are just so upset by the no uploads, you can follow my Instagram, you can follow my Twitter, you can follow my Snapchat, you can follow me on various social media platforms to follow me there, and you'll see stuff that I'm not posting on the on YouTube. But I'm out, boys. I love you. I'll miss you, but I'll see you soon. Have a happy new year. Next time you're gonna see me, I'm gonna be 27. God, I'm gonna throw up. That sounds horrible. I love you. Peace out, and keep moving.